Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will show you how to fix this account does not have iCloud music enabled and music has not been linked to this account error on iPhone or iPad. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's go to the video. We have to make sure that we are using same Apple ID for all Apple services like App Store, iMessage, iCloud, FaceTime and Apple Music. Solution number 1. Sign out of iTunes and App Store and sign in back. For that, open Setting, scroll down and tap iTunes and App Store, tap your Apple ID and sign out your Apple ID in pop-up window. After sign out, wait for a couple of minutes and sign in back. Solution number 2. Sign out of iCloud and sign in back. Open Setting, tap your profile name, scroll down and tap Sign Out. After sign out, wait for a couple of minutes and sign in back. Solution number 3. Turn on iCloud Music Library and show Apple Music. To do that, open Setting, scroll down and find Music, tap on Music. Now we have to tap on Show Apple Music turn on and iCloud Music Library we have to turn on as well. If already turned on, disable this option and restart your device. After restart, enable iCloud Music Library. And if you are on Mac, then open iTunes, then iTunes menu and select Preferences. Now select General and check the box next to iCloud Music Library and click OK. Solution number 4. Enable and disable airplane mode. Open Control Center, enable airplane mode, wait for a minute and disable airplane mode. Solution number 5. Reset network setting. Setting, General, Reset network setting, passcode and tap again Reset network setting to confirm this action. Solution number 6. Check software update for iPhone. Setting, connect to Wi-Fi, then go to General and tap Software Update and update your iPhone if available. Solution number 7. Force restart your iPhone by pressing Home button and the Power button at the same time until the Apple logo appears, and also depend on your iPhone model. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.